over the summer, the Lord put it on our heart as a ministry to go on a 21-day Daniel fast. This is a time to seek God for the promises resting on our generation. If you remember what Daniel did, his motivation in that fast in Daniel chapter 9, verse 1 and 2, is that he saw by the scriptures that the prophecies of Jeremiah over Jerusalem and returning back to Jerusalem out of Babylon were resting right there in that time frame. So instead of just waiting for God to kind of do that on his own, he began to posture and humble himself to understand the time he was in and to get Israel ready for the great return, the great fulfillment of that prophetic word through Jeremiah. I'm going to read those first two verses. In the year, this is Daniel 9, 1 and 2. In the first year of Darius, the son of Ahasuerus, of the lineage of the Medes, who was made king over the realm of the Chaldeans. In the first year of his reign, I, Daniel, understood by the books the number of the years specified by the word of the Lord through Jeremiah the prophet, that he would accomplish 70 years in the desolations of Jerusalem. So that's a major prophetic word. He, as a prophet himself, is leaning back onto the word of God to say a time frame that's being fulfilled. So God said, out of that verse for us, we need to begin looking at the prophecies resting on our generation and begin contending for understanding and discernment and wisdom on how to move our generation into those promises. You know, we're kind of like a generation that has so much prophetic destiny, so many promises, so many things resting over us, and yet we haven't fully begun entering into the manifestation of those things. But there are divine timings for this, but also divine call for prayer and intercession that we, like Daniel, can humble ourselves and hear God and understand what to do. It's a spirit of the sons of Issachar, understanding the times and what to do. So we started this 21-day fast on the first 21 days of our school year here at Auburn University. That was the 18th through the 7th of September, 18th of August through the 7th of September. And as we began to do that, the first 4 days, the Lord brought to me 4 dreams, supernaturally revealing and exposing 4 different spirits that were resisting our generation right now from moving into those promises. So I'm going to go over those spirits in subsequent videos and identify each one and how we can overcome these spirits and see our generation begin moving boldly into the promises. God bless.